हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बैक आवर यूट्यूब एजुकेशन चैनल। आज के इस वीडियो में करने जा रहे हैं क्लास 7th एसएस नवनीत असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2B सेमेस्टर 1। गिव रीजन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स। चैप्टर नंबर 1 The Battle of Tarai is considered as a landmark in the history of India. In the Battle of Tarai in 1192 AD, Prithviraj Chauhan, the king of Delhi, was defeated in the battle with Shihabuddin Ghori. The Rajput era came to the end. Muslim rule was established in throne of Delhi. Therefore, the Battle of Tarai is considered as the landmark in the history of India. Second number, Minal Devi was the ideal queen mother Rajmata. Rajmata Minal Devi did lot of things to give justice to the people. It was decision to stop pilgrimage tax at Somnath as well as construct Malo Lake in Dholka. Chapter number 2 का number 1. The schemes implemented Muhammad bin Taghlaq were known as eccentric schemes. The schemes implemented Muhammad bin Taghlaq failed due to lack of practicality as well as lack of planned implementation. Due to this, they were failed. Thus, their schemes were known as eccentric scheme. Second number, Krishna Dev Rai became well known as Bhoj of Andhra. Krishna Dev Rai himself was a scholar devout of literature and learning. He promoted literary art in the kingdom of King Bhoj. He wrote several texts in Sanskrit and Telugu. Chapter number 3 में से number 1, Humayun fled to Iran. Sher Shah defeated Humayun in the battle of Kannauj and drove him out of India. So Humayun lost his empire and escaped to Iran. Second number, a fierce civil war broke out amongst the sons of Shah Jahan. Taking advantage of Shah Jahan's illness, there was a fierce civil war amongst the sons of Shah Jahan for the domination of Mughal Empire. Third number, Akbar was a social reformer. Akbar opposed child marriage and sati. He abolished the pilgrim tax and banned forced religious conversion. Thus, it can be said that Akbar was a social reformer. Chapter number 4 का number 1, The Sun Temple of Konark called Black Pagoda. The Sun Temple of Konark is built by black stone. Thus, the Sun Temple of Konark is called Black Pagoda. Second number, the ancillary skill industry is well developed in Surat due to industries operating. So in Surat and as a result of foreign trade, ancillary skill industries such as warehouses, packing, shipbuilding industries, housing, arrangement, weaving, printing, metallurgy were extensively developed in Surat. Chapter number 10 का number 1. The core of the earth is called knife. The core of the earth is made up of mainly like nickel and ferrous, so it is called knife. Second number, the surface of the earth continental mass is called SIAL. The uppermost thin layer of the earth's surface is composed of mainly of the minerals like silica, sand and aluminium. So it is called Si silica and Al alumina. Third number, the layer underlying SiAl and SiMa. The layer beneath SiAl consists of mainly silica and magnesium, so it's called Ma, silica and Ma magnesium. Chapter number 11, number 1, tide and ebb occur in the sea. The sea water rises and falls twice in a day. When the sea water advances, it's called tide, and when it resets, it is called ebb. At the time of a high tide, the surface of the sea water rises and rushes towards the shore. during as the surface of the sea water recedes and gas away from the shore. It occurs due to the gravitational force of the sun and the moon on the full moon day, and on new moon days the spring tides occur, on the middle days low tides occur. Second number, spring high tides occur in the sea on new moon Amavas and full moon Poonam day. On every new moon day and full moon day, the sun, the earth and the moon came in the straight line. The sea water rises and large waves are created due to the gravitational force of the sun and the moon. On these days, the gravitational force of the sun and the moon is exerted from the same डायरेक्शन, सो अ स्प्रिंग टाइड ऑकर ऑन दिस डेज. चैप्टर नंबर 12 में से आपके क्वेश्चन है. द जेट प्लेन ऑन फ्लाई फास्टर विथ लेसर ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन इन द स्ट्रेटोस्फियर. The layer above the troposphere is called stratosphere. In this layer, as the height increase, temperature also increase. The air is clean and thin there, so the jet plane can fly faster with less obstruction. Second number, the ionosphere is important for radio broadcasting. The radio waves are reflected from ionospheric TV road broadcasting. Advantage of interest is indebited to this layer. Chapter number 15. Number 1. Constitution has been drafted. India is the vast and diverse country with the largest democracy in the world. Therefore, the proper management of the country constitution has been drafted. Second number, the child labor should be stopped. Child labor is an inequality in our society. It is an exploitation of children. It is also a violation of the right to education. It is a legal offense to employ a child for any work under the age of 14 years. Child labor is stopped. तो गाइस, इसी के साथ आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 भी फिनिश हुआ. तो अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर